What's going on, YouTube? I haven't been here in a while, so thought I'd give you a little yap session and an update. The wagon is back. I haven't driven it in about 3 months, and so I ended up going the route with air suspension. And the reason why I took that route was because I wouldn't be able to drive the car if I didn't. I couldn't even get this bitch out my driveway, so I was like, screw it. I'm just gonna full send air. I'm glad that I did, because now the car rides just as smooth with the silvers that I had on there. And yeah, air was a pretty easy install. I don't have a full trunk set up yet because my best friend who's in Italy is going to help me set everything up in the back once he gets back home. So, but yeah, dude, I love how this thing looks. It looks so good. I got some Alibaba wheels. I got some tri-spokes, 3-piece, and I cannot wait to show you guys those. I'm just waiting on tires right now. Let me show you some B-rolls of the wagon. Let's get it, dude. This thing looks so good.